teach your dog to bow, first make sure your dog is in a standing position. With a treat in your hand, lure the dog into the bow position by moving the treat diagonally down and towards your dog's chest and to the floor. Click when your dog is in position and release the treat. If you move away and your dog remains in the position, click and treat again. Once the dog becomes familiar with this, begin to lure the dog with an empty hand, and once in position, click and reward from the opposite hand. If your dog keeps lying down, lure your dog into a standing position and hover one hand under their tummy, then try luring the bow again. You can begin to add a verbal cue just before you click and slowly begin to make your hand signal less pronounced until the dog can do it on the word alone. Teaching a simple bow can progress into much more interesting and difficult tricks.